Hi everyone, today I would share my twist on pineapple and watermelon popsicle. Join me as we make this sweet treats together. For this pineapple and watermelon popsicles, we would be needing fresh pineapples and watermelons as well. When you're sourcing this from the market, ensure to source for the very sweet, juicy fruits because they are going to play a very vital role in this popsicle. And trust me, the sweeter the fruits, the more delicious and indulging the popsicles are going to be. So I'm going to start off by prepping the watermelon. I took off the seeds and I'm still going to take off the seeds that are still inside the watermelon. Just cut them up in little sizes. Sometimes when we buy these fruits from the market in whole and then get home to just open them up and we get the surprise of our lives, maybe the watermelon is not as red as we thought it would be, it can be so discouraging. Guys, I have lots of experience and I would love to hear yours. Please drop them in the comments section below. Transfer them into a plate and set aside. Then over to the pineapple. I'm going to take off the eyes before I chop them as well. I've learned that some people eat the black eyes that comes with the pineapple due to the fact that it has some fiber and vitamins, but then it can cause bloating. So if you're used to taking it, you can just blend that together as well. After prepping the pineapples, I'll set them aside. Then back to the watermelon. Since I would start up with the pineapple, I'm going to just transfer that into a plate. Then cover it up with a cling film. You can use any plastic nylon at all or a plate cover. That would do just fine. The aim is just to protect the fruits. Then just put that into the freezer so that while you work on the other fruits, this one is safe. So I will transfer the pineapple into the blender. To sweeten, I'm going to be using a dash of vanilla and then 1 spoon of honey. I'll blend that and transfer into my popsicle mold. The quantity of the liquid you pour into the mold should depend on the fruits you want more. So I am going to be pouring more of the pineapple fruit while the watermelon would be a little bit lesser than this one. So just do what rocks your boat, okay? After that, I'm going to go in with the popsicle sticks. And because I'm not using the popsicle sticks for this mold, I'm going to wrap up with the cling film. If you're using the popsicle sticks that comes with the mold, this part is totally not necessary. After wrapping that up, I'll put that in the freezer for at least 35 minutes. Then I brought out the watermelon and it's time to work with this. So I'm just going to transfer that into the blender. Then I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of honey. You can make use of any sweetener at all, just any kind that you prefer or you have available is totally fine. After that, I'm going to blend them together, and then at this point, it's about 45 minutes later. So I just brought out the popsicle that are in the freezer, gently take off the cling film, and then I'll just add in the watermelon. Once I'm done with that, I'll wrap up with the cling film and then put that back into the freezer for at least 12 hours. It should be ready, but I left mine for 24 hours. It's 24 hours later and the popsicles are well solidified. So you can now keep them on the countertop for about 3 minutes to soften a bit so you can pull them out easily, or you can transfer some water into a bowl or extra popsicle storage and then just put that in for at most a minute and the popsicles would come out very easily. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, drop your comments, subscribe if you're yet to, and I would see you in my next one. Bye.